Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PUBG Mobile on the account that holds your cosmetics and progress. Go straight to Events and then the Activity Center, or open the Emote/Shop screens. This is where emotes appear. You need to verify whether Move It is in a current reward track, Royale Pass tier, or a limited time spin purchase. Once done, make sure you have enough UC or event tokens. This matters because the only way requires claiming through the game's official event or purchase flow. You now follow the acquisition path shown in the event. If Move It is a Royale Pass reward, level up to the indicated tier and claim it directly. You must complete missions to earn RPXP. If it appears in a lucky spin or crate, use the exact number of tickets or UC shown and perform the pulls until you obtain it. If listed in the shop, pay with UC or exchange event tokens. Make sure you confirm before spending, because all claims are account-bound and irreversible. You finish by equipping the Move It emote in inventory under Emotes. Assign it to a quick-use slot and test it in training or lobby. If it doesn't appear immediately, restart the game and let Cloud Sync complete because temporary display glitches are common. If it's missing after a successful purchase or claim, pull up your purchase history and save transaction ID, then contact in-game support with details. This is the only valid path. Claim through the game's event, shop, or Royale Pass and equip it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.